And that will be it. Why can't I talk? Why can't I talk? Oh. Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a live swatch video for you on these new Sassy Sauce polish releases. Kerry from Sassy Sauce Polish sent me her new collection that will be releasing on June 20th. As you can tell, this is a 3-piece collection and I am really loving every single one of these colors. Even though pinks are not necessarily my cup of tea, but this one is like this bright neon pink with a gold shimmer running through it, and it just looks absolutely gorgeous, as you will see in my live swatches. So thank you so much, Kerry, for sending these to me, and definitely guys, stay tuned and check out her website when they release, because I think you need all 3 of them. Okay, so if you do enjoy live swatch videos, then please give me a thumbs up. As you might have realized, I have been doing quite a few of these type of videos lately and I have been really enjoying them. And if you don't want to miss out on any of my future ones, then also please hit the subscribe button before you leave if you are not subscribed yet. If you do have any questions, comments on any of these polishes, please leave them for me in the comment section, but I will link for you everything that I can in the description box as always. And yeah, just a big thank you to Kerry for bringing us beautiful polishes every month, and I really do enjoy them. So keep watching the live swatch portion and I will be back for you with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.